The first beds are now in use at the McCormick Place Field Hospital. In just 26 days, the facility was turned into an alternative care site for people with mild to severe cases of COVID-19. CBS 2's Chris Ty is live at McCormick Place with what we've learned. Chris.
Erica, the first patient started showing up here on Tuesday. Here this Friday night, the patient head count is just 5. The first batch of patients, we are told, do not need ventilators. They do not need ICU type care. They will, though, be spending the night at the place we all think of as home to the auto show and global conventions, now transformed into 2.5 million square feet of triage.
Nothing like this has ever been done before.
In less than 4 weeks, they flipped it, reconfiguring the floor plan and the airflow into something designers say is unprecedented in modern medicine. Think of it as pod after pod of nursing stations.
There are 15 tents surrounding a central nursing station, which is modeled after a typical hospital setup. This allows for continuous close monitoring of patients.
Designed to offload patients and pressure on local hospitals, one of the keys to care, quickly removing the air discharged by COVID patients.
Each of these tents is equipped with negative pressure, HEPA filters, and a fan that's centrally exhausted to the exterior of this building.
But how does one enter this building? What patients get sent here?
We're kind of still working through that process. The first patients were admitted earlier this week.
The state says they are so-called low acuity COVID-19 patients coming from hospitals at capacity. The facility here, the folks that are coming here, we've been told, haven't been given the green light to go home, but they haven't been given the full green light to leave the hospital either. So they're coming here, kind of a midway point. Though the folks at McCormick Place stress, Erica, if they needed to have folks who had more sort of intense symptoms, they could handle them here just as easily too.
All right. So, Chris, we understand the city and the Army Corps is ready to share their plans with others outside of Chicago as to how they put all this together.
That's right. They said they're preparing this to be sort of an open book. Anybody in the U.S. or around the world who wants to know what the blueprints looked like, what was the manpower like, what was the cost to build this, the largest facility of its kind in the globe, they said they are willing to help anybody who reaches out.
All right. Chris Ty live at McCormick Place. Thank you.